Welcome to the Paycheck Finance System. This is a live workbook tutorial, not a slide presentation. I will use the mouse pointer as a guide, click the actual worksheet tabs, enter sample values, and show how the connected results respond. The workbook supports weekly, biweekly, monthly, and custom paycheck planning in Excel and Google Sheets. Begin on Start here and follow the workflow shown by the cursor: Setup, Bills, Transactions, Dashboards, Debt, Savings, and Long-Term Review. Now open Setup. Confirm the currency, paycheck frequency, first paycheck date, start balance, and budget month. I will change the frequency and return it to biweekly to demonstrate a real input. Then I will enter in extra debt payment, categories, account names, and opening balances on the right. Feed the whole workbook. Open bills and add recurring obligations only once. Each row contains status, bill name, amount, frequency, dates, payment account, and budget group. I am changing the electricity amount. Next due, monthly equivalent, and paycheck split recalculate automatically, so do not overwrite those result columns. The calendar then organizes bills, debt, subscriptions, savings, and income by date, with a weekly paid and unpaid summary. The transaction log is the main activity table. I will add a variable expense with a real date, description, amount, source account, destination, group, type, and cleared status. The workbook assigns the month, paycheck number, and balance impact. Use manual log for irregular purchases, transfers, refunds, and one-time income. Here I am entering a small refund without touching any formula cells. Return to Paycheck Dashboard. Follow the cursor across the first period. Income, bills, debt, subscriptions, variable expenses, savings, total expenses, left to spend, and payment progress are calculated from the source logs. This view helps you decide what each paycheck must cover before money leaves the account. Marking transactions as cleared updates the progress percentage. Monthly dashboard expands the review to the entire month. Compare budget with actual results, inspect daily spending, and use the charts to find categories that need adjustment. Enter new activity in the logs, not in dashboard formulas. Bank accounts then combine starting balance, incoming and outgoing totals, ending balance, upcoming expenses, and balance after upcoming payments. Red values warn that a transfer may be needed. The 50-30-20 sheet compares needs, wants, and savings or debt with the percentages entered in Setup. Adjust those percentages to fit your own plan. On savings funds, enter a goal, target, saved amount, and due date. I am increasing the emergency fund saved amount. Left to save, progress, monthly target, status, and the chart update automatically. Debt payoff brings each debt into one table. Enter the lender, starting balance, current balance, annual percentage rate, minimum payment, and extra payment. The extra amount from Setup is directed to the priority balance. Compare the calculated total payment, payoff date, interest, and progress. Snowball targets the smallest balance first. Avalanche targets the highest interest rate first. Change source inputs, then compare these calculated schedules. Annual tracker summarizes income, needs, wants, savings or debt, bills, and debt across all 12 months. Use it to spot seasonal patterns. Net worth provides the longer view. Enter cash, savings, investments, property, credit cards, loans, and other debt by month. Total assets, total liabilities, net worth, monthly change, and the trend chart calculate automatically. Keep one untouched backup before entering personal information or changing formulas. In Excel, work in the included XLSX file. In Google Sheets, open the Access PDF, choose File, make a copy, and edit only your own copy. Start with Setup. Use bills and the logs for data entry, and use dashboards for review. This completes the live Paycheck Finance System tutorial.